Hey there and welcome to another video. After watching this video, you will be able to eliminate the infinite loading screen error in Grand Theft Auto 4 once and for all. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so let us begin the video by showing the method 1. For doing the method 1, you need to go to the folder where you have installed Grand Theft Auto 4. For me, I have installed it in C drive. You will find a folder over here or an application saying launch GTA 4. You have to send it to the desktop just like I did right now. Once you do that, a shortcut will be created of that application on your desktop. So just right click on it and click on properties. Once you do that, in the target area you will find a text written over there which you have to select and paste a text at the end of it, which will be available in the description, and that is available with MEM 18.0. so that you have to copy from the description and paste it over here, and make sure to give a spacebar after that, and once that is done, just click on OK and restart your PC for that to work. Once you restart your PC, you must check that that works or not. If it doesn't, then just do the second method. Just go to properties of that shortcut and delete this available with MEM 18.0 which you had pasted before, and just copy another text which is given in the description, which is called as available with MEM X. That you have to just copy from the description and give it a space over here and just paste it right here, just like you did before. And just click on apply and hit OK, and that should work. So just restart your PC and check that your GTA 4 loading screen error is fixed or not. If it doesn't, then the third method is always there. So for the method 3, you again have to go to the properties of the shortcut that you have created before. Just right click on it and click on properties. Once you go there, in the target folder, you again have to delete this thing which you have typed before, and just copy the third text which I am saying, which is available with MEM. Just copy it from the description and paste it into the target folder. Make sure to give a space or else it will show an error. Just give it a space and paste it over there. Now just hit apply and click OK, and that must solve the error. And if it doesn't, don't worry, the method 4 is always there. So for the method 4, once again you have to go to the properties of the shortcut which you have created, but this time the method is a little bit different. Wait, I will show you that. Just go to properties and once again paste a text in this target area. First you have to delete the text which you have typed before, and just copy the another text, the fourth text which is mentioned in the description, which is like this. So just copy this from the description and paste it into the folder and just paste it into there. Make sure to give a space. So you can see I have typed a number at the end which is 4000. So that is totally dependent upon the graphic card which you have. So I have 4GB graphic card, so I will type in 4000.0, and if you have any higher or lower memory graphic card, then you can type that number. Let's take an example that you have 2GB graphic card. That means you have 2000 MB of RAM on your graphic card. So you have to type in 2000.0 in that section over there and just click on apply and OK. Now it depends upon which graphic card you have and how much RAM is there on that graphic card. For me, I have 4GB graphic card, so that means it has 4000 MB RAM. So I will type in 4000.0. Make sure to give a space before typing that specific number. Just type in the number, make sure to give a space before the number and just click on apply and hit OK. And there you go folks, you have successfully solved the infinite loading screen error. I hope that the method that I had shown in the video would work for you. If it did, then don't forget to smash that subscribe button with the notifications turned on, and also turn that like button into blue for more such videos from me. So that's all for this video. Catch you in the next one.